Hi, my name is Macy. This is the first video I have made on my YouTube channel. Most of them have just been shorts, and some of them have been pretty old. And I have the YouTube channel called Glory Farm, and basically I'm just making little videos about horses and chickens and ducks, cats and dogs and things like that. Just cute little videos that some people might enjoy to watch. As I said, this is my first video, so I'm gonna be bad. And yeah, and this is Judah. He is a eight-year-old gelding. He is a quarter horse. He's very pretty. He's a very pretty horse. He's a good boy. He's very sweet. He's going to be in most of my videos. This is Preacher. He is one of our geldings. He's a quarter horse, and he's 21 or 22, I can't remember. He's very sweet. He's an old man. And this right here is Shiloh. He's our mini horse. He is 16 years old, and he's a Shetland pony, I think. Yeah. Right there's Scruffy. He's another one of our roosters. He's very, very loud, as you can see. And yeah, that's our selection of chickens. Got a good bit of hens just piled up over here. Get out of the way. This is Riley, sweet girl. She's very sweet. She loves pets. Oh, so good. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Those are some of our other ducks. The two white ones are girls, and the brown and white one is a boy. And then we have two other ducks that are outside the fence. Both boys. All the way over there. You can see them. That's a boy, and the other one right there's a boy. And this is our barn cat, Moses. Good boy. And so yeah, those are all the animals I have. There are 2 dogs and a cat that I did not show because I do not feel like going and finding them right now. So you'll see them in different videos, as I said, first ever video. So it's probably going to be horrible, and yeah. Those are my animals. So